3-point attempt.
Ayaw. Raymar Jose, good position inside. And yes, they will keep it. Bagsak ang front row.
May bagsak. May tao ba tinamaan doon? Oo.
Meron.
May binagsakan si Semerat.
Di umubra. Halalon on the move. Melga reaching. Coach Chito Victorero catching him.
You watch it right here. Ito si Gio Halalo. Ito, tawa ka pa guys. Si Conchito Victorero.
For defensive purposes, here's Pringle. Up, and away. Niluwa. Tahalo. Elote, no. Oh, jump shot with a big board, but then it's poked free.
Nobody wants it, everybody wants it. Underneath the basket chance for Global, walang pumasok. Yan, isa. Ito, Elote, dalawa.
May mga tapik pa si Taha dun eh.
Ito, nakagulog yung bola.
Hindi magawa yung pantalon. Mitchell is pressing above. JDD knew exactly where Bo wanted to go.
Si Bo Melga.
There's another steal.
Baguio taking it from behind Ping. Skyros on the move. Zigzagging his way in. Natapigan siya from behind. And Melton jumps into the second row.
Pwede natin ilaban niya sa hurdles.
Oh, grabe yung lipat ni Quick Melton ah.
Teaching mystery siya natin. Hindi na hurdles yan. Baka hop, step, and jump. Pwede rin yan.
To get them to 1 point earlier after being down 100 to 99. And not only that, is also playing great defense, especially in the fourth quarter. We've talked about that at the end of the third quarter. San Miguel with already 89 points. But now only 11 and quarter ni San Miguel. And especially not against San Miguel. Dahil talagang pagbabayaran mo ng malaki yan.
Mga agaw ng Magnolia. Army naman gusto mag-counter steal. Yun na nga ang nangyari. San Miguel gets it right back. Libis will get it back as well.
Was that like 5 on 1 play?
Setting the ball screen on the left wing, follows it up, and gets the offensive rebound on the other side.
Puro agaw to. Puro kill yan. Ito, nakawala.
Ilan ba yan? Ani ba?
Lima yan.
Regained it. Arwin pass from 15. It will bounce out. Arwin reclaims it. Lassiter wide open!
Yung sapatos na yun, yung tawag doon, shupalpal.
The bounce again. Oh, Mr. Jam. He was testing kung gano'n sa katas makakaangat. Bogoy steals it, however. Terence is on the right side, but Bogoy says, what a mahal. Oh, missing it too. What's happening to the TNT? Bumper is back. They survived the storm na wala siya doon sa loob. Oh, look at that trick. Whoa! That is an amazing move. Book na finish. Kaya play mo lang kay Junior Pardo. Wala siyang ganyan dati.
3-point shots. Tinamaan si Coach Pido. Tinamaan si Coach Pido sa sideline.
Itong Northport.
Ayan o, Tom. Hindi nga nakatingin si Coach Pido. Isa mo yung braw.
Tumakama. Coach Pido talaga eh. Out na talaga yun.
Out from Kevin Ferrer, couple of dribbles, left it. Put it up anyway! Bumahan mo! Hinapon niya eh!
Pati si Coach Timpon, napasmile.
Nawala na sa kanya kamay. Hinapon lang niya.
Alam na may halong swerte yung tirang yun.
Nag-alala ko para kay Junmar ha. Sinsa na mangyari. Ayun no? Natakot si Junmar no? Uy! Pero,
Balance pa rin. Hindi pa talaga handa ito.
Di ba? Or just drive to the hoop. So here they go. Malalo. Try to play along. With Galigos. Kabagnot. Siya na Anthony nakabantay sa kanya. Oh, they left him open. Switch wasn't there, but Nabo wasn't ready. But who was ready? Yancy Delgado. YDO, the veteran. 5 points in the game and a great assist earlier.
Austin in midair. Back on the ground. Here's Machado with the steal.